Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for subscribing. Today I want to talk about a basic, bass and strum pattern, and it carries a lot of weight. I know it sounds kind of simple or hokey or like old school, but it's got that cool country feel. A lot of these chords you should know. The only new one here maybe I'm showing is this G7. It's just like an open G chord, but my index finger is now placed on the first string of the first fret, hitting that F note. I'm going to use the D7, middle finger on the third string, second fret, first finger, second fret, first fret, and my ring finger is down here on the second fret of the high E string. So basically, I hit the low note, the G note. So I'm going bass, down, up, 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 bass, down, up. And that's the concept, that's the technique right there. Whatever open chord I hit, I'm hitting this for the low root note, strum down, up, down, bass, down, up, down. And a little progression, it starts on the G, it goes G, D, E minor, G7, C, G, D7, back to the G. Give that a try, practice that. You can use it on any chord. Say you have a bar chord, I could hit the bass note of this, the low note of the A. One thing you want to get in practice of is tapping your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, bass, strum. Bass, strum. You can just do it as simple as that, where you're hitting the bass note and you just strum down once. Gives a little movement to your chords. Try that out. Thanks for subscribing. Keep watching.